Hey guys, I'm Dipankar from Technomedia, and this is Samsung's new Tizen based smartphone Samsung G3. It will be available via all leading offline stores and online exclusively via Snapdeal for Rs 8,490. If you want to buy, you will have to wait till 21st October. In this video, I am going to take a quick look on this phone. First, let me talk about the design of the phone. It has a 5 megapixel of front camera. At the bottom, it has a physical home button. At the below side, it has a micro USB port. At the back side, it has a 8 megapixel of rear camera with LED flash. Samsung branding just below the rear camera. Speakers at the right side of the rear camera. At the right side of this phone, it has a power button. At the left side, it has a volume rocker keys. At the top side, it has a 3.5 mm jack. It has a stainless steel framework around the edges. Overall design of the smartphone looks good. It is a very lightweight phone. The weight of this phone is just 137 grams. The steel frame looks very good. It will be available in 3 different colors. Overall design of the phone is good. Back panel of this phone is removable, which houses 2600 mAh battery, which can also be removed. It has dual SIM slots along with a micro SD card slot. It has 5" of HD Super AMOLED display, which is not very sharp but offers good viewing angles and good colors. So overall display seems to be good. Quad-core processor with 1 GB of RAM offers good performance. I tried multiple apps simultaneously and there was no shake or lagging. I was able to quickly open or switch among the apps. Performance seems to be fine in the first look. Now let me check the about section of the device. For this, I have to go to settings and then the about option. You can see various things like the model number, IMEI number, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi MAC address and other things. You can see that it runs on Tizen 2.4.0.0. This is the Tizen version. Tizen is the operating system on this device. Let me check the storage. This is the 8 GB model and around 4.9 GB is free, and this is to check the RAM usage. So you will get around 5 GB out of 8 GB of storage. The storage is also expandable up to 128 GB via micro SD card slot, so you can expand storage. Overall, Tizen OS seems to be good, but it is in the early stage, so there are few bugs. It has the app drawer, so you need to just swipe up to open the app drawer. At the top, there are quick setting icons and the notifications. You can quickly change the display and quickly turn Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on or off. Hard pressing on the home button will open the multitasking menu where you can see all the running apps. Swiping right will close the app. There is also the option to close all the running apps in one go. At home screen, you can also add the different widgets for the information access quickly. There is also a Tizen store from where you can install different apps. There are so many apps. There are the apps categorized in the feature, top free, top paid, and the categories. So you can easily find the apps which you are looking for. You can also search apps by name. There are so many different categories, so you can try different apps and install it from the Tizen store. You can also customize the look of the device by using the theme store. In the theme store, there are thousands of apps. There are few apps which are specifically for the India. For the app installation, you need to have the Samsung account. So first sign in into the Samsung account, and then you can install the app and customize the look and feel of the device. It also comes with Mix Radio app, which offers so many songs which you can enjoy. You can also save songs to enjoy offline. Songs are categorized into the various themes, into the various genres. You can also create your own playlist. This is the camera app of the device. At the top left side, you can see the option to go to the mode. There are so many modes, including a pro mode. In the pro mode, you can actually set the ISO and the different things. There are other modes like beauty face, SDR, and different things. At the below you can see the option to go to the settings. In the settings you can just customize the picture size, video size and other things. There is also an option to quickly launch the camera by double tapping on the home button. Let me just check the camera. The You can focus on any object by tapping on the screen and then press on the camera icon. The shutter speed of this camera seems to be good. Now let me just check the photo quality. In this lighting condition, photo quality seems to be below than good, but that is more than average. If you can wait and focus on the object properly, then you will be able to capture good photos. So these were the photos I took from the rear camera of this device. It has 8 megapixel of rear camera with LED flash. These are the few photos which I took from the rear camera. You can have a look on this photo camera sample. I also took a selfie from the front camera, and this was a selfie. It has a 5 megapixel of front facing camera. The selfie was not actually very good. After zooming the photo, I can actually see the distortion in pixel. There was too much noise in the photo. So overall, the camera performance of this device is average. This was a selfie taken from the rear camera. Can also record HD videos. Other camera features are geotagging and face detection. Overall, camera performance is above than average. Samsung talks too much about the gaming on Samsung G3, but I was not satisfied. I tried this game and found that graphics is shaky, frames were not smooth, sound was not actually very good. Gaming experience on this device is very bad. So if you are looking to buy this phone for the gaming, you will be disappointed. It also comes with ultra power saving mode, in which it will turn the UI of this phone into black and white to avoid the battery consumption. In this way, it can improve the battery life of your device. Connectivity features of this phone are 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS and micro USB. It also has ultra data saving mode. With the help of this feature, data cost is reduced by 40% by compressing all incoming and outgoing internet traffic. This was the overall overview of Samsung J3. We already have better options in the market in the similar price range. If you like this video, please press the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.